What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, also known as Crypto King Anthony, and I'm here to introduce a new program to you all today. I am absolutely enjoying this program because it is allowing us to multiply our money on steroids, guys. I'm talking about COTP. This is a new trading platform that takes advantage of crypto arbitrage, right? Arbitrage is simply the process of buying a crypto on one exchange and selling it on another for a profit, guys. That is it. Usually there's some discrepancies in the price on different exchanges and different markets, and you can actually take advantage of that and earn money through crypto arbitrage. But the great thing is COTP allows you to be able to do that through their platform in a very easy way. As a matter of fact, you can do it every 2 hours. Now you'll probably say, Anthony, why would I want to do that every 2 hours? Because the profits are amazing. You have the opportunity to earn about 0.33% every 2 hours. So if you do this for 10 times, then you will earn about 3.3% per day. Guys, this is absolutely amazing because that equates to about 23.1% per week. Guys, do you understand exactly how powerful this is? 23.1% per week means that your money grows on steroids. Let's do a compound calculator to see exactly what we're talking about. If we took $1,000, guys, just for your information, this is what I initially started with, was $1,000. If I look and I did 3.3% per day, now I know it earns every 2 hours, but I'm only going to do the daily compound. So 3.3% per day. And if we did this for, let's say, 6 months, I'm going to show you how insanely crazy this is, right? So if you go ahead and click calculate on this, this turns $1,000 into $374,000 in 6 months, guys. This is absolutely insane. But I know some of you are saying, Anthony, I don't want to go out that long. So let's do 3 months, guys. I want to show you what 3 months turns into at the same rate. 3 months, $1,000 turns into $19,000, guys. This is insane money right here. And I'm just telling you, I'm so glad to be involved on this. I'm going to run it up on this just like every other platform. But I want to see if you are ready to run it up with me as well. COTP is the one that's happening. Now, I know you guys are looking for that foundational information that we like to give. Well, first of all, I want to tell you, here's the first piece of foundational information. This is the certificate or registration for the company, and the company is in good standing, and the company is registered in Colorado. It is a domestically based company, guys. So it is registered in Colorado. You can see this here, registered agent, and the incorporator is Yan Fang. I do not know this individual, but I can show you this information because a lot of people like to see this. The next thing is I do want you to see that they are registered as a money services business. As you can see here is the registration. If you guys wanted to see the registration letter, here's one I pulled straight from the website, the FinCEN website. I did not get this from their website. I got this straight from the FinCEN website. So this is it right here. Just so you know that crypto arbitrage is a real thing. Here's an article from CoinDesk that tells you that crypto arbitrage trading is a type of trading strategy where investors capitalize on slight price discrepancies of digital assets across multiple markets or exchanges. Right? It is the simplest form. Crypto arbitrage trading is a process of buying a digital asset on one exchange and selling it just about simultaneously on another where the price is higher. That is what crypto arbitrage is. So this is a real strategy that real traders use. But now you have the opportunity to take advantage of this and actually perform these trades every 2 hours, earn about 0.33% every 2 hours, and about 3.3% per day, 23.1% per week. And you can multiply your money on steroids with this incredible program. And guess what else, guys? I want to tell you that this is just only $9 for you to get started with. You can get started with as little as $9. But guess what else, guys? You have access to your capital every 2 hours when the money is not in the markets trading. So after 2 hours, once the money comes out of the markets from trading, once you do that, then you actually get to withdraw your profit and principal if you want to. But if you are ready to continue on the process and go through another cycle, you just go through another cycle and let your money multiply more and more and more and more until you get your money where you want it to be, guys. This is absolutely amazing right here. I hope you guys are ready to get started with this, ready to multiply your money. If this is something that sounds like something that you're ready to get into, get back with the person who invited you and get started ASAP. If I invited you to this video, look at the link right below this video, right? Look at the link on this website right below this video and get started. today. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Let's make this money. All right. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.